Agam is your religion, so yeah.
Here's some 3D action for you.
Wait, why am I making this video again?
Okay, the ironic part of this video is that I'm doing something that Vatsav would never do, and that is risking my phone right now. And if my parents ask why my phone fell from the first floor, well, I'll just tell them it was for Vatsav's birthday.
Oh yeah, happy birthday to you. Well, happy 21st birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy 21st birthday.
21 years since you graced this earth.
Happy birthday, Moni.
Happy birthday, Tali idiot. Hope you have an amazing day and year ahead.
Happy birthday, Vatsav. I know you get very excited about your birthday, so I wish we could have all celebrated together in person.
I know we are in a situation where we cannot exactly do everything to our fullest potential.
మనం లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అనుకున్నాం ఇయర్ బర్త్డేస్ గట్టిగా ప్లాన్ చేయాలని, కానీ కరోనా మనకి గట్టి తెప్పించేసింది. హోప్ సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అన్నా మంచిగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుందాము.
You know, if we were in college, then probably you would have started reminding us a month earlier that it's going to be your birthday soon. That's one thing I like about you, you know. You always keep that little kid inside you alive who's very excited about things, who's very excited about his birthdays. I hope you always stay like that.
I'm sure you're gonna have a great day with your family, and hopefully we can celebrate together very soon.
But trust me, after lockdown, there's just gonna be 2 weeks of non-stop celebration, and I know yours is gonna come on a Friday. I just know it because we have to just turn up, if you know, as the kids say. So can't wait for that.
Hi Vatsav, what's up?
Hey Vatsav, what you doing? What's up?
So Vatsav's birthday. I cannot add more energy than this because I forgot how to talk to people. What? Happy birthday, Vatsav. It's your 21st birthday, and I know I'm gonna say this in every video for every person this year that, oh my god, you're legal, you get to do stuff. But see, the thing is, it's different for you, my friend. It's different because let's just say that unlike other people, you're someone who doesn't exactly require any help getting there. You are already drunk in every state of your living self. Literally, maybe except for some serious moments here and there, I genuinely do not know when this person is, how do you say, sober.
You recently found out your Myers-Briggs personality type, and it's ENFJ, and I read. ENFJ is a warm, engaging, charismatic, and talkative. They're typically very straightforward and honest. And I can't agree more, especially the talkative part. But yeah, everything actually.
I really think you're a very nice guy, and I'm really glad that I can call you a friend and my brother. And I hope that you stay as passionate and as crazy as ever, and you keep using Telugu words whose meaning nobody knows, and nobody knows if they even exist. Who knows?
It's a really special talent when, like, you know, everyone's talking, everyone's in a mood, having a conversation, whatever, but then there will be this moment where someone comes and says something outrageous, and let me tell you, this bitch says the most outrageous shit ever, which basically leads everyone to follow suit and helps everyone just, you know, live their lives and just vibe. Which, if you haven't understood or if I haven't made it clear because I keep rambling, is you. So thank you for that.
I just really like how you're so determined and dedicated towards your work. Like how you're so focused with whatever you do.
You're a really fun person to be around, and I've always enjoyed the times that we've all been together and had a lot of fun and a lot of weird, crazy conversations. So yeah, cheers to that, and they are memories that I'll cherish.
ఇంకా మన ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి మెమరీస్ అంటావా, మనం ఎవ్రీ మూమెంట్ ఎంజాయ్ చేసాము కాలేజ్లో. మనం ఎంజాయ్ ఎవరు చేసి ఉండరు అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లోనే.
You know, over the time, 3 years, wow, I think we've bonded pretty well. And you remember the first time we actually met was in the fest. We started bonding through the fest itself. The crazy memories of the Dandiya night, of course. And then we've had so many memories together, like the first time we were about to prick our fingers in the physiology lab. I still remember that.
Okay, time and again I've told you lots of you were one of my first friends in college and you were the first ones to support me, which obviously meant a lot because in that moment I needed it a lot. And no matter what happens, just know that I will have your back like you have had mine. And I hope this friendship continues.
అఫ్ కోర్స్ చాలాసార్లు గొడవ పడ్డం అన్నీ చేసాము. బట్ దెన్ ఇప్పుడు గుర్తు చేసుకుంటే అవి చాలా ఫన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ఈ లాక్డౌన్ అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ కాలేజ్ స్టార్ట్ అయితే మళ్ళీ మంచి మంచి మెమరీస్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి, చాలాసార్లు గొడవ పడడానికి, మళ్ళీ కాంప్రమైజ్ అవ్వడానికి ఇవన్నీ ఛాన్స్ అవుతుంది. తొందరగా లాక్డౌన్ అయిపోవాలి.
You know, I could add about how we first met and all, but I don't remember. I'm just very glad that we met and we became friends, and I'll always wish the best for you.
So many more memories we have made. To the movie, we went to the movie together. The first one was Justice League, I think. And then from there on, I think, yeah, there were so many more memories, and then we started bonding over so many things. And had a lot of fun, like a lot of fun. All the talks, all the gossiping sessions.
You were like my all-time gossip partner. Our gossip sessions are like crazy. Like the way we die for gossip, don't even talk about it.
Here's the thing, gossip can come from anywhere, but with this dude, it's the story delivery for me, you know. It just automatically becomes even more scandalous, even more interesting, even more, I was gonna say malicious or something, but no.
The talks under the tree in front of the reading room, the auntie shop party, I think.
And like, you know, I've never seen someone so calm and composed before like an exam. Like literally, bro, I don't know how you do it, but I know it's partly because you're super prepared, topper fellow.
And handled all the exam stress together, you know, just 5 minutes before the exam stress, because our roll numbers are aage piche.
Looking forward to making some crazy memories with you over the coming years, just like we've made in the past couple of years. All our posting times, me, you, Shraddha and Sahiti, having all the fun that we've had, the anatomy dissection hall times, talking all through the dissection hall time and the lab times, all of them have just been crazy memories which I will never forget.
And I hope that we actually execute all those plans we made for our internship, all the adventures we planned, you know, to find the most scariest place at night by planning all our night duties together and all of that. I hope that we do it, even though I get scared, but
I can't wait to go through more of medical school, how much ever long it ends up being. More of these stupid, never mind, let's not get into that. More fests. I said plural, but let's be honest.
I really miss our long chats over lunch in the corridor and people coming and telling us that they can hear us from the CP. And by us, I mean you and Suhani. And I miss us all hanging out in the auntie shop, in class, and going to the Konda and the lake.
We all miss you on this birthday.
well, I'm happy to have you as my friend, and I hope that you always stay happy. I hope that you always stay safe, healthy, of course.
I'd just like to say again, I'm so happy that you're one of my friends. I'm so happy that I've met you in college and not only just become a friend but close friend. I take that seriously, what? As a privilege. That's it.
And thanks for always being there when I've needed your help.
I hope that you achieve great heights. I hope that you become very successful, and you know, I know that you have the capability to do a lot of great things, and I hope that you get the best because you deserve the best.
I hope that I get to see that one day when you are with your significant other and I can't even, like, I will be there, either I'll be in tears or I will just be there making fun of you. God knows how that will turn out.
You know, the quarantine has really got us all doing a lot of interesting stuff. So it's really nice to see you doing something that you wanted to do. Perugu Boy is your new thing now, and I can't not talk about it. So keep the memes and the fun content coming.
And please keep making those reels.
Also looking forward to meeting you very soon so that we party together, make some Tully memories.
So once again, wish you a very happy birthday.
I can't wait to see you again.
Happy birthday again, and I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Have fun at home. Don't change your sleep schedule, because let's be honest, that bitch ain't changing anytime soon.
I wish you a great day today and a very fun and prosperous year ahead.
Wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Take care. I hope to see you soon.
I wish that this 22nd year in your life is everything that you want it to be.
Come to Hyderabad soon. Happy birthday again.
Stay healthy and take care
Stay home, stay safe.
and have a nice day.
I just hope you have a very nice day and everything you wish for in life comes true.